Hey guys, this is Adit from Tech is Easy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a timer in Google Forms. So this is really helpful if you only want to allow a person to submit the form in a limited amount of time. So this will help you if you want to send quizzes, and I've already made a video on how to create a quiz on Google Forms. So if you haven't seen that, you can click on the top right of the screen. So now let's get started. First, I'm quickly just going to open Google Forms. So this is the same method. Just click on Go to Google Forms, and under Recent Forms, you've got to select the form in which you want to add a timer. So I've selected this form, and now to add a timer, you've got to click on the three dots which are on the top right over here. So click on that, and then click on Add-ons. So basically, we're just going to add an add-on of a timer in this form. So now, you've got to click on this icon under Quillgo Timer. So click on this. And over here, you can read all the details. So this is how it will be basically. There'll be a timer at the form. So now just click on Install. So you'll have to click on Continue. They'll ask for some permissions. So you'll have to sign into your account and just give them permission. So I've done that, and now you can see that it's happening. So click on Next. I'm done. So now we've installed the add-on, and now what you've got to do is click on this. So under that you can see it's written Time on Proctoring. So click on that, and now just click on Configure. After that, you'll have to create an account on Quillgo. So just click on this hyperlink over here, and you'll have to create an account. So you just have to add all your details over here. So now you'll have to open your email and then just enter the verification. So now I've got the verification code, and you'll just have to go through all of this and click on Accept. You quickly have to just add all your details over here. So your first name, last name, etc. So I've created my account, and now everything's ready. So you have to just go back to the Google Forms tab, and now you'll have to paste your token. So I'll just have to copy this and paste it over here. So over here, just click on Enable, and now you can see they've said add-on is enabled. So now I'll just close this. After this, you have to go back to the Quillgo dashboard, and over here just click on Create Tests. So now you'll have to add all the email IDs of all the students who you want to send the form to, and then so right now I'll just add a random email ID, and after this, in this box you'll have to fill the time which should be allotted. So I'll add 60 minutes, and now just click on this auto close when the form timer is over, and now just click on Create. So over here you can see that the test has come, and you can just copy the URL so that you can send the test to whoever you want. Or you can send it to others by clicking on Send Tests, which is written over here. So now I'll open the URL in a new tab, and I'll just show you how it works. So now the name is sample, and you can also see the email ID for as@gmail.com. Then over here you can see it's written 60 minutes, and now just click on Open Form, and over here the same form as this has come here, and you can see that the time was on top. So this is basically how it works. So once the timer runs out, they won't be able to write anything more in the test. So I hope this video helped you, and if you have any other questions, you can comment below. Thank you for watching.